Cocoa stands are chocolate for the cereal. Up to tower and chocolate favorite cereal. Crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy crack, crazy ever care. Lucky leprechaun tricks, rabbit kookaburra, fries under scenes. Next up, it's different for silly rabbit tricks for kids to mash a good delicious good for cocoa. Let's do Lucky Charms and mash a good delicious.
And then I plie in first position and saute.
They grow up so fast. You're going to be amazing as Odette in Swan Lake.
Thanks, sis. My teacher said the recital is already sold out for tomorrow night. I'm so excited. Now, watch as I do my final dance.
Be careful, daughter. It fall off 7 broken leg. It will be hurt really bad. Good luck, sister. Good luck, you too, daughter. Man, I cannot freaking believe you what you done. I can't wait to. Mom, what do you have to dress her up for? This is ballerina. See, a ballet slippers. It can't be leg is broken. It can't be that for doctor happening. Are you coming join us? Okay, let me see you show you some. I'm starting later because I only have a show time this terror show. Come on, let's go in the game. This is the worst day of my life. Party animals are right in the corner because scenes are the between. Yeah, Carl, it is like in the between. Ba, poo, pa, pa, pa. This was dancing all ballad dancing. This I have flippers and slippers. What do you know? Good idea, Pedro, because I always have limit time only. So I can't wait. What do you think of my slippers? My legs can't work. You see it? Ah! It's drinking stuff. Know that. Those paint. I gotta clean this up. All I can't move. Now let's get on the road. Sonny, why does there's a terror show for studio offices? I don't know. Lucky because I only have 2. Rabbit, how make a Saturday? Hey, eat a Saturday? It's happening. Alright, girls. Let's tell a show. Okay, let's go! Thanks a lot, special limited edition.
Time for the real star!
Okay, guys, I'm ready to come to the list, right? I ho, Captain. This is really dangerous, a special limited edition. Yeah, I know, Captain Crunch. This yeah. Kaluki, it's a special limited edition all time. Hungry Hippo. Got the more marbles in it. got it. Oh, this is all I can fly like a plane. This is starting. Get it next time, you only have. I'm gonna clean up all of this, all the clay. Yeah. I'm gonna work it out. What a beautiful day. All of Miss B and just know summer and have fun. You go. I'm literally by mistake. This is the first mistake that happened.
Yeah, because I only got 2 things different between.
Yeah. Go history. Go got it. You see this. I will be right back. Out. You guys have to do a special day off. To go back. I'm leaving now. Okay. Wait. Anymore. I'm forced to do that. I will be right back. Okay. Yeah, we better get out of here before we get caught. Yeah, I don't like that. Never got a cinnamon. I will be stay here or stay home 24 minutes. Adelie. Where's Adelie? I keep you eyes peeled, Pedro Call.
Yeah, because I only have 2.
This special edition all time. Adelie.
Where's Adelie?
I keep you eyes peeled, Pedro Call.
Yeah, because I only have 2.
This special edition all time. Adelie.
Where's Adelie? There he is!
Daughter, don't do that.
Sorry.